Aruba, Jamaica. Ooh, I want a ticket. Oh, yeah. Uh, oh, yeah. Life is good today.
A little extra with that one.
Happy Mother's Day.
Aww.
Don't be nutritious, just be delicious. What?
Man, I really do love nature.
Four by four. Summertime.
Beautiful sunsets in
Colorado. Oh, yeah.
another beautiful day in the Rockies.
Oh, yeah.
Idiot, we're really ironic, I think.
Ironic.
I think I'm coming down with the coronavirus. Good.
Freedom.
No, that was bad. Man, I really love the
Sunset. Oh, the cat.